Here's a little video for you so you can see the puppies. The fluffy one is going home today. Hi, say hi to your mom. Hi, Mom. Come on, let me see ya. There you are. Boogie! I have all my puppies running around out here. Come on, run around so they can see you run around. Run around so they can see ya. Yeah. Yeah, your mom and dad want to see you too. Oh, there's Lola. The one here on my right I'm keeping. And then the other one is a little male. It's going to Mr. Willis. And then the little try is going to Kelly. So 2 little males. And little Fluffy's going to Mississippi today. To a farm. Okay, come on. Run around a little bit. There you go. Oh, right over to here. Say hi to Lola. Say hi to Billy. Lola, you're in the way. Lola. What you doing, little guy? Huh? What are you doing? Say, I'm so handsome. I'm so handsome. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you two are so cute. Yeah, it's a shame, isn't it? I'm gonna go home soon. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.